Moikka! If you have watched my videos before, you might have noticed that I do my watercolor painting with these two little watercolor sets. I had a lovely surprise in my email. A company called Lightwish wanted to send me a watercolor set to try out, and here it is. A lovely looking package with a watercolor set of 24 pans. So, a big thank you to Lightwish for sending me this. And you can go and check out their other lovely art supplies in www.lightwish.com. Now let's open the box and see what is inside. The watercolor set is wrapped around in this pink microfiber cloth. This will be very handy when you want to try your brush, for example. And now let's see what the package holds inside. I think this metal box is really nice. And let's see what the watercolor pans looks like. A lovely collection of colors. And then there is this brush, and it feels very, very soft. Now I will unwrap these pans and let's start the painting. I am so excited to try these. I love this collection of colors. Let's take a proper watercolor paper for this one. Usually I paint to thick copy paper in my art journal, but let's make an exception here. I will glue this into my art journal when it's finished. Yes, but let's start, and I will write down thoughts of this watercolor set as we move along. Hope you will enjoy the video. Oh, I have to say that I have not painted that much with watercolors. I have painted more digitally and with acrylic paints, so I could say this is a beginner's point of view. My final thoughts of the palette. I really like to paint with these. As I mentioned before, I am not a professional with watercolor painting, but for a beginner, this is a really nice palette and I would definitely recommend this. Lightwish sent you this 15% off discount code if you want to purchase this palette. Taiga 007. I mean Taiga 007. And this is not an affiliate link. There will be links in the description box if you want to go and check out this palette. Thank you, Lightwish. I really enjoyed painting with these watercolors and I am so excited to use these in my future projects. Kiitos katsomisesta ja oikein mukavaa viikkoa kaikille.